Twitter and Facebook are literally a communications vehicle, like opting in for a newsletter is. It's communicating with what that audience is. I see this many times. You go to a website, before you see any content, you see the Facebook and Twitter logo. Really? Do I need, is that your goal? Is your only goal is not to get business, not to drive sales or registrations, whatever your goal is. Your goal is to get that Facebook subscriber way above the fold, right in front of you, right? The point is it shouldn't be, right? It should be a goal, a passive goal. There's things to do definitely to get connections. Be focused more on how much business you're getting, how much sales you're getting, how many visitors, increase in visitors you're getting, and then have that available so people can connect with you. And then, then it's all about, putting out your content. Whatever your content happens to be, promoting it, right? If you have a newsletter, make sure, get those links in the newsletter, right? So your newsletter people can connect with you on Facebook and Twitter, right? But, again, different for every type of business.